Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P16E6 pertains to a malfunction within the start switch circuit related to the transmission range switch. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that the powertrain control module, PCM, detected an irregularity in the park neutral position signal coming from the transmission range switch. The function of the transmission range switch is vital as it communicates the current gear selection of the transmission to the PCM. This communication is crucial for the safe operation of the vehicle, as it ensures that functions such as starting the engine only occur when the vehicle is in a safe position, such as park or neutral. If the PCM identifies any abnormalities in this signal while the vehicle is in operation, it results in the storage of DTC P16E6. The inspection around this issue involves closely monitoring the transmission range switch, its connections, and how it interacts with the PCM to ensure everything operates as intended. Understanding this may prevent further vehicle issues and promote optimal performance. The DTC P16 indicates a malfunction in the transmission range switch, which plays a crucial role in the vehicle's operation. This switch is integral for sending the appropriate P and park neutral position signal to the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM utilizes this information to ensure that the vehicle can only start in the park or neutral gear settings, which is a safety feature designed to prevent accidental movement. When the switch fails to send the correct signal, or there's an identified abnormality in the signal, the PCM recognizes this issue. The location of the transmission range switch is typically near the transmission case, easily accessible for inspection during troubleshooting. Without proper communication from this switch, the vehicle's engine management can be compromised, leading to potentially hazardous situations. Several possible causes could lead to DTC P16E6 being triggered. The first possibility is a faulty transmission range switch, which may not function correctly due to internal wear or damage. If this switch fails, it may not successfully transmit the required P and position signal to the PCM. Additionally, wiring issues could be a significant factor. There may be shorted wires or broken connections, preventing signals from effectively reaching the PCM. These wiring problems can often be subtle, but critically affect communication. Lastly, a defective powertrain control module may also be the root of the problem. If all other components seem to work correctly, it could indicate that the PCM itself has failed and is not accurately interpreting the signals it receives. Each of these causes must be evaluated during troubleshooting to accurately isolate the issue. When DTC P16E6 occurs, drivers may experience several identifiable symptoms. One of the most immediate symptoms would be the engine failing to start if the transmission range switch fails to signal that the vehicle is in park or neutral. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit abnormal behaviors in transmission shifting, including harsh shifts or failure to shift properly. Warning lights on the dashboard may also illuminate, specifically the check engine light or other related indicators, alerting the driver that there is a transmission-related issue. Lastly, some might experience unusual noises or sensations during gear engagement, signaling further complications with the drivetrain. Recognizing these symptoms early can significantly expedite proper diagnosis and repair, helping maintain the vehicle's operation. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC P16E6 starts with setting the vehicle to the on mode. This step is essential as the vehicle needs to be energized before any diagnostic readings can occur. After the ignition is in the on position, shift the transmission to any gear other than park, P, or neutral. This is crucial because the PCM must detect the change in position to assess signal functionality accurately. After shifting, ensure to wait at least 5 seconds, as this time allows the PCM to process the new transmission state and determine if there are any irregularities in the signal. This initial procedure establishes a baseline for further investigation into the signal transmission from the transmission range switch, laying the groundwork for subsequent troubleshooting steps. The second troubleshooting step focuses on performing a transmission range switch test. This involves verifying whether the switch correctly sends the PN signal to the PCM. To conduct this test accurately, a specialized diagnostic tool may be required. Following this, carefully inspect the external circuit for any visible signs of damage or wear. The wiring connecting the transmission range switch to the PCM must be in good condition to avoid potential shorts or breaks, which directly impact the signal transmission. Additionally, pay particular attention to the ATPST, applicable transmission position switch test, by checking for any shorted wires leading to ground. A short circuit could distort the voltage readings and lead to erroneous DTC storage, complicating diagnostics. Each step must be done diligently to rule out component failure or wiring issues. The third diagnostic step involves a thorough inspection of the powertrain control module PCM connections. Before proceeding, ensure the vehicle's ignition is turned off to prevent any electric shock or damage to components. Verify that all connectors are securely attached and free of corrosion, as these issues can severely impede electrical flow and signal clarity. After physical inspection, it's critical to test the PCM's proper functionality. This may require specialized diagnostic equipment to confirm that it processes incoming signals correctly. After confirming function, clear any previously stored DTCs to reset the system and prevent confusion in future diagnostics. This clearing allows you to monitor if the issues resurface, providing clearer insight into whether the faulty component was correctly identified and addressed. After completing all repair steps based on the troubleshooting results, it's time for final verification. Begin by confirming the effectiveness of each repair made, ensuring that all components are functioning correctly within their specific parameters. Next, check the vehicle for any recurring DTC P16E6 codes, as this would indicate that the issue has not been fully resolved and must be reevaluated. A successful resolution of the previous problems should demonstrate that the range switch is correctly transmittable without further alerting the PCM to abnormalities. Following these checks, perform a test drive of the vehicle to ensure that all systems engage as expected during various driving conditions. Observing smooth operation without warning lights or signs of malfunction affirms that the repair was successful and that the vehicle is safe for continued use. Preventive maintenance is essential for mitigating potential issues related to DTC P16E6 in the future. Regular inspections of the transmission range switch and associated wiring should be standard practice during any routine vehicle maintenance check. It's crucial to address any signs of wear or damage immediately to prevent cascading problems that could affect the PCM and transmission performance. In addition, follow the manufacturer's scheduled maintenance intervals to ensure that all systems, including the transmission, are operating effectively. Monitoring the vehicle's behavior during use, especially when shifting between park, neutral, and drive gears, can help in catching early indications of trouble. A proactive approach to maintenance significantly increases the longevity and reliability of your vehicle, minimizing unexpected failures. In conclusion, understanding DTC P16E6 and its implications is crucial for maintaining the operational efficiency of your Honda Civic 2022 Plus. This diagnostic trouble code signals a malfunction within the transmission range switch start switch circuit, which can affect engine starting and transmission operation. Following methodical troubleshooting steps helps isolate the problem, whether it be a faulty switch, wiring issues, or PCM malfunctions. Additionally, implementing regular maintenance checks can prevent potential issues from escalating into more significant problems that may lead to unsafe driving conditions. Ultimately, being informed and proactive regarding DTCs and their meaning is the best way to ensure your vehicle remains in optimal condition, ensuring reliability and safety on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.